Hello, I'm Mr. Speed and I teach geology here at Sheffield Girls. GCSE Geology is a twilight GCSE, so it's a bit different to the others in that the lessons take place every Wednesday after school from 4:45 till 5:30. Now, first of all, I want to tell you a little bit about what geology is. Geology is the science of the Earth, so we study the planet on which we live. Now, of course, most of our planet isn't covered in Earth, it's covered in ocean. So we try and work out what our planet is like on there. Our planet supplies us with lots of really useful, important things. Every single thing you consume comes from one of two places. We either dig it out the ground or we grow it on a farm. So as geologists, we try and work out where precious metals form, where we can find those metals and how we can get those metals out the ground. Your smartphones, for example, your TVs, your electric cars, all of those things need metals. If we're going to solve the climate emergency, we need to stop burning fossil fuels, which means we're going to need a lot of lithium to create electric cars to be able to transport everyone. Lithium does not grow on trees. We're going to need geologists to find that lithium. Now, as well as the Earth providing us with lots of useful things, the Earth can also be a dangerous place to live as well. The Earth has volcanoes and earthquakes. So if we can understand when a volcano is going to erupt, when an earthquake is going to take place, when a tsunami is going to happen, we can hopefully then save people's lives by getting people out of the way. So geologists can help find resources. They can also help solve problems. The Earth as well has also got a rich history. Of course, different animals used to live on the Earth. Unfortunately, the dinosaurs are no more. They were wiped out when a huge asteroid collided with the Earth 65 million years ago. So 65 million years ago, a big asteroid from space came, hit the Earth, wiped out all the dinosaurs. Could that happen again? Of course it could. So as geologists, we look, how can the past help us understand what the potential risks from the future are as well? Now, being a geologist means that you need to be prepared to get out of the classroom. So there will be a field trip to Ingleton in North Yorkshire for 2 days. There will also be the opportunity to go to Iceland, and that will be in either October 2024 or October 2026, just depending what year group you're in. There's 2 exams in geology. There's one exam which is done online at a computer, where you are ticking boxes, dragging things along, typing in your answers. There's then a map-based paper which is done on paper, where you're looking to try and work out what's happened to different rocks. Hopefully you can see this rock here has been folded. So if we go back to our earthquakes and volcanoes, the Earth is a dynamic planet. The plates move around. As those plates push towards each other, they can of course deform rocks on there. So as geologists, we try and work out what the Earth was like in the past in terms of folds and faults on there. You will have done little bits of geology as part of your geography course when you've looked at tectonics. You'll have done bits of geology when you've looked in biology at animals. Why do some animals have sharp teeth, for example? You'll have done bits of geology in your chemistry course when we've looked at the different metals that exist. And you'll have done bits of geology in your physics course when you've looked at the kind of waves, earthquakes course and so forth. If you'd like to find out any more about geology here at Sheffield Girls, please have a look at our Firefly page. Feel free to email me, or we're also on Twitter at SHS Geology.